The C-zone digital control and monitoring network brings unique features to the Pontoon series. Smokercraft Incorporated's line of pontoon boats are fully equipped with the C-zone system. Follow along to learn how to take full advantage of the control capabilities at your fingertips. Within the graphical user interface, you can access the switching controls for the boat circuits via the touch screen multifunction display. Also, within this interface, you have full RGB control over all the interior and exterior lights. Smokercraft Incorporated pontoons feature two distinct modes that simplify several control functions into one press. Party mode, which turns the courtesy lights bow on, courtesy lights aft on, exterior lights on, interior lights bow on, interior lights aft on, and underwater lights on. Note that the lights are put into RGB color fade in this mode. There's also night cruise mode, which turns the navigation light on, anchor light on, courtesy lights bow off, courtesy lights aft on, interior lights bow off, interior lights aft on, exterior lights on, and underwater lights on. Note that the RGB is set to white in this mode. To turn on the courtesy lights, press the courtesy light button. The first press turns bow and aft lights on, while the second press turns bow lights off and leaves the aft lights on. To turn on the interior lights, press the interior accent button. The first press turns bow and aft lights on, while the second press turns bow lights off and leaves aft lights on. The C-zone system is also controllable by a key fob, which allows the user to manage their boat away from the helm. With the key fob, you can control the master power, having the ability to power on or off the boat from a distance with the press of a button. You can also power on or off the courtesy lights, navigation, anchor lights, and even engage the horn. To extend control even more, the C-zone system on Smokercraft pontoons are equipped with an aft keypad, providing convenient local control of the following loads from the aft lounger: underwater lights, exterior lights, courtesy lights, interior lights, bimini or tower up, bimini or tower down. There is a battery switch located in the aft furniture compartment that turns on and off all the electric power to the boat. Additionally, there is an emergency ignition system in the helm compartment. The C-zone digital switching system brings innovative technology to the Smokercraft line of pontoon boats, ultimately simplifying the boating experience, allowing you to focus on enjoying your time on the water. For more information, visit our website.